What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare. Sometimes I unbox things and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't. I do hope you like it, but you know, doesn't always happen that way. So today we are doing an unboxing. I'm unboxing two missions that I received from TopBox, and I'm going to give you a little bit of background on TopBox. So if you live in Canada, you are eligible to sign up for TopBox Circle, where you can fill out surveys, and sometimes you get chose for missions, sometimes you don't. So I was really excited to see that these were in my mission dashboard, and I'm going to show you what I got sent. The first thing that I was sent by TopBox was this L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture Filler Cream. This is a daily moisturizer. I was sent this. I do have to review it, so I will be using it for the next 2 weeks. They give you a little card. It's free to sign up, and sometimes you get sent some really great stuff. And it is Canadian, so unfortunately if you live in the States, this isn't available to you, but if you live in the States, there are so many awesome freebie sites. I will try and link some of them down below. Influencer is one of them that's available in Canada as well. I was just sent a body wash by them, so, and you just do reviews and they send you stuff. This is it. It's really in there. So it is a full size. I don't even think I've seen this in stores before, so it must be new. Comes like that. There's a safety seal. It is unscented. That's nice. So this is a moisture filler. It's fragrance free. Directions say to smooth over face every morning and evening after serum or treatment. So I'm super excited. I have tried some masks by L'Oreal. I think I maybe tried, I know I've tried their makeup before, but I don't know if I've ever tried a moisturizer from them. So I'm so happy that they sent this to me. So I'm just gonna pop that back in there. You'll probably see that in a skincare video. And I'm just gonna hold it up one more time just to give you a good look. I love it. Super, super fun. I'm really excited for this. And then I was sent another mission, and I am so excited I was selected for this one. This was the Essie mission, and they sent me 2 nail polishes. So these nail polishes retail for $8.99 Canadian usually. This is the nail, this one's nice and sparkly. That is so nice. You will definitely see this in Nail Polish of the Month review, because I do have to test these within a certain amount of time. So I will definitely be trying these out. I might even do my nails tonight. I did just do them yesterday though. They look kind of good right now. I don't know. So super, super pumped for that. And so that's in the shade Congrats. And then the second one is in the shade S'il vous plaît. And that is just the prettiest pink shimmer I've ever seen. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? These two colors are gonna go together so well. I'm really excited to try these. So let me know, if you live in Canada, are you signed up for TopBox, and have you ever received any missions? I will leave everything in the description box below, so please do check that out. And how is everyone doing today? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. What did you think of these freebies that I was sent? And do you like seeing unboxings like this, or are you like, no, I don't want to see that stuff? I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.